Hi students, now MCQ number 9. A bar magnet of length L and magnetic moment capital M is bent in the form of an arc as shown in figure like this, okay. So a bar magnet is bent in the form of an arc, part of a circle, it is a part of a circle. The new magnetic dipole moment will be, so you have to find the new magnetic dipole moment. Now initially before bending, what is the pole strength of each pole? So the pole strength, see this is the south pole for example I will take, and this is the north pole. So the distance between the two poles is called the magnetic length, that is L, and the pole strength of each pole is M. Therefore magnetic moment, the magnetic moment of the bar magnet, so this is a magnetic dipole moment, is M is equal to the pole strength M into the distance between the two poles, that is called the magnetic length. So this is the initial dipole moment, magnetic dipole moment of the bar magnet before it is bent. Now in the second picture you can see that it is bent. So the curved arc length, okay, or the length of the arc is given as what? Small l, it is L only, and the two end makes an angle of 60 degree, understand? So it is a part of the circle. So this is the south pole and this is the north pole. So even after bending, the pole strength is not going to change, only the distance between the two poles is going to change. Okay, now you see that after bending, the bar magnet is forming a curved shape which is a part of a circle, but here it makes only 60 degree at the center O, let us take. Therefore in this case the total circumference 2 pi r, if you extend this for a whole circle, means its total length is 2 pi r divided by the length, okay, divided by the length L. 2 pi r is the circumference divided by this length L is equal to the total angle of the circle divided by the angle subtended by the arc, that is 60 degree. So 360 by 60, so this is 6 times, so this is equal to 6. So 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 6L, okay, it is a 6L. Therefore R is equal to here itself, if you want you can cancel, this is 3 times. So pi r is equal to 3L, R is equal to 3 by pi into L. This is the relationship between the radius of this circle R and the length of the magnet L. Now since this angle is 60 degree and these two sides are having same radius R, the third side, okay, these two angles must be same. So it is an isosceles triangle. Therefore the new distance between south pole and the north pole must be equal to what? R itself, understand? So now the new magnetic dipole moment, so the new magnetic dipole moment or simply magnetic moment is given by M dash is equal to the same strength, pole strength M into R, the distance between the two poles. So instead of R, what shall we substitute now is 3 by pi into L. So this is equal to R, M dash is now equal to M into 3 by pi, okay, 3 divided by pi into L. So this is equal to 3 by pi into ML. But what is M into L? That is the original initial magnetic moment, capital M, okay. Therefore M dash is equal to 3 by pi times M, capital M. So this is the answer we are getting. So which is the option? Let us see now. Option B is 3 by pi times M. That is the right answer. Okay. Therefore, option B is the Right answer. So this is a very simple problem, but a very interesting problem. So such problems very frequently they are asking in the NEET as well as IIT entrance examinations. Okay children, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.